Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook. Today we are going to learn from page number 35. Children, on this page we are going to use these are and make sentences. Look at this, children, these are dolls. Listen again, children, these are dolls. Listen one more time, children, these are dolls. Now say with me, children, these are dolls. Say again, children, the sentence is these are dolls. Okay, children, now look at this, these are eggs. Listen again, children, the sentence is these are eggs. Listen one more time, children, these are eggs. Now say with me, children, these are eggs. Say again, children, these are eggs. Children, you have to write the sentence these are eggs here in between these 4 lines by yourself. You will write the sentence these are eggs. Look at this, children, these are locks. Listen again, children, these are locks. Listen one more time, children, these are locks. Now say with me, children, these are locks. Say again, children, these are locks. Children, now you have to write the sentence these are locks here in between these 4 lines by yourself. You will write the sentence these are locks. Look at this, children, these are plates. Listen again, children, these are plates. Listen one more time, children, these are plates. Now say with me, children, these are plates. Say again, children, these are plates. Children, now you have to write the sentence these are plates here in between these 4 lines by yourself. You will write the sentence these are plates. Look at this, children, these are nails. Listen again, children, these are nails. Listen one more time, children, these are nails. Now say with me, these are nails. Say again, children, these are nails. Children, you have to write the sentence these are nails here in between these 4 lines by yourself. You will write the sentence these are nails. Look at this, children, these are cups. Listen again, children, the sentence is these are cups. Listen one more time, children, the sentence is these are cups. Now say with me, children, these are cups. Say again, children, the sentence is these are cups. Children, now you are going to write the sentence these are cups here in between these 4 lines by yourself. You will write the sentence these are cups. Look at this, children, these are ducks. Listen again, children, these are ducks. Listen one more time, children, these are ducks. Now say with me, children, these are ducks. Say again, children, these are ducks. Children, you have to write the sentence these are ducks here in between these 4 lines by yourself. You are going to write a sentence these are ducks. Look at this, children, these are flowers. Listen again, children, these are flowers. Listen one more time, children, these are flowers. Now say with me, children, these are flowers. Say again, children, these are flowers. Children, you have to write the sentence these are flowers here in between these 4 lines by yourself. Let's read all the sentences on this page, children. These are dolls. These are eggs. These are locks. These are plates. These are nails. These are cups. These are ducks. These are flowers.